Hello everyone, and welcome to our video on how to use our Tasks app. Today, we are going to guide you through how to create chores, routines, and rewards, as well as how to use the stars you received from finishing chores to redeem the rewards. Without further ado, let's dive in. First things first, let's find out how to actually create a chore with your Cozyla Calendar Plus 2. Go to the Tasks app on your dashboard and navigate to the Chore section at the bottom of your screen. Next up, click the Add Chore button on the top right corner of the screen, and a slide-over window will appear. You can now type the chore that is yet to be done and assign stars to it to determine the value of this chore. And you can assign this chore to selected family members so that everyone can get what they do best. You can also make the chore recurring and set the due date for it. If you want to be notified before the chore is due, just toggle the reminder button at the end and tap Done in the top right corner. Now you have successfully added a chore to your list. Aside from chores, you can also add your daily routine to the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2. The Routine tab is just beside the Home tab. Once you are on this page, just select the profile and the morning, afternoon, along with evening routine for that person will be right in front of you. Simply tap the Add Step buttons to tailor your routine to your needs. You might be wondering how the stars you got from finishing chores and routines can be used, and our Rewards feature is the perfect answer to this. Designated admins in the household can add rewards for any family member to redeem using their stars. To add a reward, simply go to the Rewards section beside Chore. Another slide-over window will appear. You can name the reward, visualize it with an icon, and set the amount of stars needed to redeem it. Just as we set up chores, you can assign who will have access to this reward. After this, you can choose if the reward can be redeemed multiple times. If this is for younger family members, a parent can decide whether or not to approve redeem requests. And of course, you can add a description for the reward to make it more appealing. After you're done, just tap the button on the top right corner, and you've successfully created a reward. After you finish creating the chores, routines, and rewards, you can now use your stars to redeem the rewards. You may do so by going to Home at the bottom, and you'll see how many stars you earned today through chores and routines. To use the stars, simply click on your avatar. You'll be presented with a dashboard with the number of stars you have available, the rewards you have access to, and your everyday routine. You can just tap the Redeem button below the reward you want, and it will be yours, provided you have enough stars. If the reward you redeemed requires approval from the admin, you can go back to Home of the Tasks app and navigate to Reward. Go to Reward History and tap Pending Approval. All redeem requests will show up here, and the admin can choose to either approve or deny the requests. That's it. These are all you need to know about the Tasks app. Make sure to explore features that can make your family's life easier and more connected. To learn more, check out other feature-specific setup videos in the description. And if you ever need help, don't hesitate to reach out to help@cozyla.com. Our customer support team will be happy to assist you.